Namaste. Uh, myself Gaurav Goyal. Sorry, IJVN Gaurav Goyal. Program name is BSRT 6 SEM. Subject is Hospital Administration in Radiotherapy. Today we are going to discuss about the beam directing device. So let me discuss about beam directing device. Beam directing device. Beam directing device. It is defined as desirable. It is defined as desirable modification in the spatial distribution of radiation within the patient by the insertion of any material in beam path. Okay, by the insertion of any material in beam path. It is used in radiotherapy. Beam modification device are used to filtrate or block the beam where it is not required, where it is harmful or not required in the treatment region. So there are four type of beam modification. Shielding, and second is first is shielding, second is compensation, tissue compensation, and third is wedge filter, fourth is filtration. First, let me discuss about asymmetric jaw. Asymmetric jaw is used in telecobalt machines like Babatron, or oldest one is ATG, Advanced Telecobalt Machine. So let me discuss about asymmetric jaw. It is used when we want to block of the part of the field without changing the position of the isocenter. If we want to block a part of field without changing position of isocenter, by using such blocks or asymmetric jaws, we can block a field like x1, x2, y1, y2. Then we can block a x1 field. So x2 is open and y1 and y2 is open in generally like a field size. Independently movable jaws allows us to shielding a part of field, and this can be used for beam splitting. Here beam is blocked off at the central axis to remove divergence of the beam. Use of asymmetric jaws results in the shift of the isotose curves. This is due to the elimination of photon and electron scattered from the blocked part of the field. Electron or photon scattered component is reduced or restricted or blocked or eliminated from the blocked part. So it is isotose curve is shifted. Isotose curve shifted in the this type of asymmetric jaws. Next is multi-leaf collimator. It is called short form is MLC. Multi-leaf collimator are bank of large number of collimating blocks or leaves can be moved automatically independent of each other independent of each other uh, independent of each other to generate a field of any shape. 40 pairs of leaves or more having a width of 1 centimeter or less. Thickness 6 to 7.5 centimeter, made of tungsten alloy, or primary X-ray transmission through the leaves less than 2%, interleaf transmission less than 3%, 4 jaws 1%. Advantage of MLC is time for shaping and inserting of custom block is not required. The hardening of beam, scattered radiation, and increase in skin doses and doses outside the field are as seen with physical compensators avoided. Next advantage is MLCs can also be used to as dynamic wedges and electronic compensation. Next topic is compensator and flattening filter. Compensator are beam pond